Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Compass windshield wipers. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades and a soft towel ready. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. Now, look closely at the connection point where the old blade meets the arm. You'll see a small release tab there. With the arm up, press that small release tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. It's a good idea to place a towel on your windshield now, just in case the arm accidentally drops. Now, take your new wiper blade. Align the J-hook of the wiper arm with the connector on the new blade. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield surface. Finally, hop into your Jeep Compass and turn on your wipers to test them. Make sure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield completely without streaking or chattering. This simple maintenance keeps your visibility clear and safe. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your home cleaning effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.